Hi everyone, it's Carolyn here, your ELA. Hope you're all well and looking forward to starting your placements. I'd like to wish you all the best and I hope it's a really rewarding and wonderful experience for you. Now we have some discussions on the Canvas environment that are going to be very supportive for you during this time. So I'm just going to give you a quick tour to show you where they are. So I'm on the main dashboard for the unit. And if I click on discussions, you'll find that there are many supportive discussions here related to your professional experience, and they're actually in a professional experience lounge. So you can click on the lounge to access the different threads, or you can go down each one individually. Now this student chat one is where you can post your experiences of the placement in an unmoderated environment. So I won't specifically be checking that, and that actually has a separate thread for each of our groups. The rest of the discussions are actually unit-wide ones, so you'll be engaging with lots of different students across the unit. So if we go into the Professional Experience Lounge, you'll see that there's all of the different discussion topics, and I'll be checking in on these to offer support, and also the other students in the unit will be posting as well. There's some links here to the assignment 1 discussions, and also if you have any questions regarding the professional experience report. Now in regards to these topics, you might need a variety of support during your placement, or you'd like to share an experience that you feel would be helpful to other students. So there's one for lesson planning. So you might be having a particular challenge. You might want some topics for a lesson plan, and certainly this can be applicable for our task 2, but you would post those in the Q&A for task 2. And if you needed any other support or you have some resources to post, you can certainly put them here in this thread. Then we have the curriculum. Are there any aspects of the curriculum that you're not sure of? How do you feel your own understanding of the curriculum is going? Certainly there are prompting questions in each of these discussions which can be very supportive in scaffolding your post. Teaching strategies, you might be having a particular challenge. You're observing your mentor teacher. Are you finding that is going well? Is there some aspect of their practice or your practice which you'd like to discuss? Classroom management, this can be a particularly good one to share. You might have a certain routine that's working well. You might have a certain situation that you're finding challenging and you've tried different strategies, or you might like some tips from other students without mentioning any of your own students' names, of course. Establishing professional relationships is very important as you'll be working with your mentor teacher very closely during this time, and also the other teachers in the school, and you'll be liaising with some parents as well. And there's the opportunity there to get support from the other students in this group and myself as you share your experiences. Student rapport is how you're building relationships with your students. Has it been effective? Have you tried anything specifically that's worked well? And sharing a little bit about your first day. So we've got students going on placement over the next few weeks. It's going to be very exciting, and I really look forward to your experiences. So we're on the main page at the moment for the unit, and this is where you can access these discussions. If we go into our group, so I'll go into one of our groups. I'm in group 3 at the moment. So you can scroll down and you'll see that these discussions actually are not listed. So the one that was listed was student chat. So if we go into student chat, you'll see that it's a social space for you to share your experiences while on placement. So an unmoderated type environment that is for each group. And if you're wanting to access the discussions from this group, you just click on Placement Q&A, and please ignore that topic thread there, and you'll see that all the discussions are here and you can access them. So it's a wonderful resource. I encourage you to have a look at them all and contribute, and I hope that they're really supportive of your professional experience. And that's all for now. Bye.